In the bustling town of Accra, Ghana, a young chef named Nana dreamt of creating a dish that would unite people from all over Africa. Nana worked at her auntie's small restaurant, Mama Abina's Kitchen, where customers came for her famous groundnut soup and freshly pounded fufu. But Nana had bigger dreams. She wanted to celebrate the diversity of African cuisine by creating a dish that combined the rich flavors of the continent. One morning, while pounding yam in the kitchen, she overheard a heated argument between two customers, one from Nigeria and the other from Senegal. Jollof rice is the pride of Africa, declared Amina, a Nigerian tourist. Pride? You mean Senegalese jollof is the standard, countered Samba, a chef visiting from Dakar. Nana chuckled but felt inspired. Could she create something that blended the spirit of jollof and the heartiness of fufu? Could she honor the spices of East Africa, the stews of Southern Africa, and the bold flavors of North Africa too? The quest begins. Nana set out on a journey across the continent, determined to learn from the masters of African cuisine. Her first stop was Nigeria, where she spent a week with Mama Ifeoma, a renowned chef. Mama Ifeoma taught her the secret to perfect jollof rice: smoky tomatoes, aromatic spices, and patience. Next, Nana traveled to Ethiopia, where she learned the art of making injera and the complex spice mix berbera. In Morocco, she mastered the fragrant tagine, and in South Africa, she discovered the comforting flavors of bobo Thai. In each country, Nana wrote down recipes, gathered spices, and tasted every dish she could. But what struck her most was how food brought people together. No matter where she went, meals were a time of laughter, storytelling, and connection. The big reveal months later, Nana returned to Accra with a plan. She called her dish Unity Stew. It started with a base of smoky jollof rice, topped with small portions of fufu and injera. Surrounded by a rich stew made with spices from across the continent, she served it on a large communal platter, encouraging people to eat together with their hands, as was tradition. On opening night, Mama Abina's kitchen was packed. Amina and Samba were both there, skeptical but curious. As they took their first bites, their eyes lit up. This tastes like home," Amina whispered. "Like every home," Samba added with a smile. Word of Unity Stew spread quickly, and soon people from all over Africa came to taste Nana's creation. Her little restaurant became a symbol of how food could bridge divides and celebrate the rich tapestry of African cultures. A legacy of flavor. Nana's dish didn't just unite ingredients, it united people. Over time, she opened a culinary school where chefs from all over the continent came to learn and share their traditions. From jollof to fufu, from injera to tagine, Nana's journey showed that the heart of African cuisine was more than just food, it was about community, culture, and love.